Hi, I'm Dr. Maegan Stanga. One of the questions that I get asked frequently is, how did Dr. Stanga functional medicine come about? How did it come to fruition? And for me, it was born out of a desire and a motivation to heal myself and to heal my family. I knew from the time I was really young that I wanted to help people, and so it was a no-brainer for me to go to chiropractic school and to gain my doctorate of chiropractic. But I quickly learned in practice that with chiropractic alone, not everybody healed, not everybody got better. And so I saw the need to add in more. But it wasn't really until I suffered my own health crisis after the birth of my second daughter. When Emmy was born, my health just crashed. And I really think it's a story people can relate to. When you've pushed yourself your entire life, you've pushed and pushed and pushed, and then your body finally says no more. It's exactly what happened to me. During that period of my life, I was really busy in practice. I had a really busy family life, and I suddenly just became very sick. And for 6 months, I was in bed. I hired a doctor to take over my practice for me. And that really gave me time to research my health. And it led me to the Institute of Functional Medicine, where I gained knowledge, how to heal myself and eventually my patients. But even with that, I still saw the need with some patients. They needed more. And it was really correlating to brain-based symptoms. When my oldest daughter, Claire, began to struggle in school with things like reading comprehension and math comprehension, when we started to see that anxiety and hypervigilance and even some sensory issues were becoming a problem for her, it really caused me to reach out more and to study more about brain development and specifically about how neurofeedback can regulate the brain better. And so with that knowledge, I took that to my daughter, I took that to my patients, and was able to see incredible results. And it's something I've become really passionate about over the years, is how childhood trauma affects the brain and how neurofeedback does an amazing job at re-regulating the brain. I really see it's a need for society today. More than ever before, people are struggling with psychotropic medications. They're struggling with depression and anxiety, kids with ADD and ADHD, and they really don't understand that there's other options available to them. Most of the time, people aren't aware of neurofeedback or how it could be a solution to their problem. So another question that I get asked frequently is, of the 3 services I provide, which one is my favorite between chiropractic, functional medicine, and neurofeedback? And it's kind of like saying, which kid is my favorite? I love them all equally and the same, but for different reasons. And for me, if I had to pinpoint, what I enjoy the most and what just really brings, what really makes my heart happy, it would really be, I think, neurofeedback. And for me, over the course of the last 5 years, I've really become passionate and almost obsessed with learning more about how the brain works and functions. So I hope that you will like and share this information, that you will reach out to your family members, to your neighbor, to your friend whose son is struggling with ADD, whatever the case may be, because it's people like you who really get this information into the hands of people who need it. And so I appreciate your time, I appreciate you watching this video, and thanks for sharing.